Hi there, Victor here. If you want to learn how to make a currency system and this sick-ass UI, then stick around and I'll show you how. Also, thank you to my first and only subscriber. I don't know who you are, man, but you're a legend. Anyway, back to the video. We'll continue where we left off in the other episode. We can build, delete, and we can't place two buildings in the same spot. What we can do is place unlimited buildings. We don't want that. Well, actually we want, but we shouldn't. So for that, let's introduce gold. But first things first, let's make some quality of life improvements. Here we append and erase our mouse position from our use position array in our input system. We should do it in our build system. So for that, let's get a reference to our input system. Already our input system. It's a node 2D. Let's get the path. Right, and now we can just delete this and let's put it inside our build system. Use position input system dot use position dot append and use position dot erase. We'll put it here. Input system dot use position. Perfect. Now it should work. Let's check to see if there are any errors. No, it's working as usual. Perfect. Now let's carry on with our gold system. So to do that, we first need to add the currency. I already said it's gonna be gold. So let's set it up to something like 1,000. And in our building scene here, let's add a new script to our building. Let's call it stats in our scripts folder. This will keep all the stats of the building, like health, damage output, and of course the cost. Let's set it up to be 100 for now. We can always change it in the inspector. That's it. Now in our build system, we want to place the building only if we have the gold for it. So if gold, where am I? Oh, I forgot to make what? What have I done? I put the gold inside the input system. Sorry, my bad. Let's just delete it. Let's place it in our build system. Silly mistake. If gold is greater or equal to our build instance dot cost, actually we want the variable to be on top, so let's do that real quick. And only then we want to do all this stuff. Perfect. And we want to subtract from our gold minus equal the build instance dot cost. And now if we actually, come on, cost. If we print this out, print the gold, you will see that that the gold is getting smaller and smaller, and when we reach 0, we can't place anymore. But we want to get the money back when we delete the buildings, so let's add it back up here in our delete build. Let's copy this out. Let's copy all this out, and let's change this. That's easy enough. What's the problem here? We indented it wrong. Come on! Not declared in the scope. Build instance. It's not a build instance anymore, it's the build to delete. Right. That should work now. And we get our money back. But in games, usually we don't get all our money back, we just get some of it. So let's make another variable called money back. And let's set it to 50% for now. Let's make another function for it called money back. We get a cost, which is an int, and we will return another int. So let's return our cost multiplied by money back, and we will divide it by 100 to get a percent. We get an error. Let's ignore it, like all problems in life. And now we will add the money back of build to delete.cost. And we now get only 50 gold back. Perfect. Now, as a bonus, let's add some UI to it. Let's make a label. Let's call it gold. Let's get a reference to it. Sorry, on ready var gold text. It's a label, sorry. Let's get the path. Let's keep things organized and put it on the top here. It's out of bounds. I don't know what's the problem, but we'll see soon. And now, instead of debugging it, instead of printing it out, we will get the gold text dot text equal to our gold. And it's an int, so we have to pass it to a string. We'll do the same when we delete the building. Here. Perfect. Let's see if it's working. You'll see it right here, but it's very small, so let's change the font to be something bigger. 30. And now we can't see anything. Why is that? Well, let's put in our ready function, ready, let's set the same thing. Now we shouldn't have any problem. Perfect. If we want to get even more crazy, we can add some text in front of it, like gold plus string. Same here. Let's just copy and paste it. And here also. And now, voila, you have some UI. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you got this far, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.